Hi, welcome to this video in which we will create our first application with MicroEJ on Android Studio. So, to create a new project, let's go to File, New Project. Select a simple project type and click on Next. Here we can change the name, package, and save location. Make sure to select Java as the main language and Kotlin as the build language. And click on Finish. Then we need to update the build.gradle file to make it a MicroEJ project. We can do that by adding the MicroEJ Gradle application plugin, all the dependencies that we need, in this case the MicroUI foundation, the widget toolkit, and the widget library. You can find them on docs.microej.com. Do not forget to select the viewport of choice and point to the application main class. With this, we can start writing the application. First thing to do is to call the MicroUI start method. Now what we need is a desktop that will act as the main canvas, where the UI elements will be displayed. For example, we can add a simple label and set it as the main widget to be shown. For adding styles to our widgets, we create a new style sheet. And then get the default styles so we can edit them. We could apply all the available styling options in MicroUI. But now, we just want to center it with the horizontal and vertical alignment. For these styles to actually be applied to the widget, we tell the desktop to use that style sheet. And finally, we ask the desktop to please show it to the world. We can visualize how the application will look by opening the Gradle window on the right side and double-clicking Run on Simulator under MicroEJ tasks. And here we have our first application. We can see how the styles have been correctly applied to our widget, and it is right on the center. For a more in-depth exploration of the concepts, please go to the supplementary documentation and stay tuned for more technical insights on the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.